We're currently at Firebase Gloria, and we've been conducting raids for the last 2 weeks, doing 2-day raids last week and conducting night raids all week this week. So one of the biggest challenges, especially being out here, is I'm very brand new to the battalion. It's the first field op I've actually gotten to work with my Marines and find their deficiencies and been able to learn where they stand out training-wise and figure out how we can overcome these deficiencies. The biggest thing I can take away from this training is the fact that we are now working stronger as a unit and that we're just going to keep building on, putting more tools in the toolbox.